Hi there, this is Christy, and in this video, I'm going to show you a thumbnail hack that you're not going to want to miss. First of all, we're going to log into a free website, canva.com. This is a site that I use every single day. Now, if you go into the search bar and put YouTube thumbnail, this is what comes up. Now, as I'm scrolling through and as you're looking with me, tell me which ones in your mind, because I can't hear you, which ones are popping out to you. I believe it's the red and the orange. Okay, so first of all, you have to really stand out. Secondly, you have to use words that persuade someone to click on your video. Okay, and we'll do that as a part two. So first of all, I'm going to choose one that you'll see on my channel, and it's this one. The reason being is research says that people pay attention to red. Could be because it's a red traffic light, it's a red stop sign, um, red siren, but we do respond to red. These are more like neutral colors. Might not stop the scroll like a red one would. So we are going to use this one. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do a little cheat sheet because I'm going to use one that I've already used before, but it is that same one. Okay, so you can find that same one inside of Canva to use yourself. Now, what I did to get this picture is I simply took my cell phone and I did a bunch of selfies until I found one that I could live with. That if somebody I knew saw me on there, I wouldn't be horrified. So I would suggest you do the same, even if you don't show your face while you are recording. You need people to resonate with you as a person. Okay, so you can do that with your thumbnail. All right, secondly, here is a awesome idea. Go to Chat GPT and write 10 persuasive YouTube titles about how to make a thumbnail that converts into lots of views. As you can see, Chat GPT, which is also free, spit out all of these. Unlock viral success, how to design thumbnails that skyrocket views, the ultimate thumbnail blueprint, secrets to boosting your views fast, and so forth. So then I said, write 10 more creating curiosity because I watched a video last night about YouTube hooks, and one of them was create curiosity. So instead, I went with one of these. The thumbnail trick top creators use to double their views. Find out how. You won't believe how this thumbnail design boosted views by 300%. And unless that happens, I'm not going to say that. What makes a thumbnail go viral? Discover the secrets behind click-worthy designs. Are your thumbnails costing you views? See what's missing. That's a really good one right there. The hidden formula for thumbnails that convert, you'll be surprised. Why are some thumbnails irresistible? Unlock the psychology behind clicks. I might change my mind and use that one. That one's pretty good. Think you know thumbnails? These unexpected tips will change your game. That's a good one too. The one thumbnail mistake you're making that's hurting your views, and so you're thinking to yourself, what is the one mistake that I'm making that's hurting my views? How to design thumbnails that no one can ignore, the ultimate guide. Curious why your thumbnails aren't performing? Find out what you're doing wrong. So, I mean, at least 5 of those I think are really, really compelling and create curiosity, which is what I ask it to do. I could also go further because I said, hey, how about 10 more? Ever wonder how some thumbnails get clicked instantly? Question mark, discover the secret. The surprising truth about thumbnails that make videos go viral. Are you using it? What if I told you there's a simple thumbnail trick that could explode your views? The thumbnail design hack that influencers don't want you to know? That creates curiosity. Why do certain thumbnails grab attention instantly? The answer will shock you. Is your thumbnail design missing this key element? Find out what you're overlooking. Okay, so the one I decided on was the one about design because that's what this video is about. Um, So this one right here, is your thumbnail design missing this key element? So I'm going to save that for my title when I get finished making this video. So if we go back to Awesome Canva, first of all, you want to upload your selfies over here, like I did. Here are my selfies from my cell phone. I'm using Canva's own built-in template right here, super easy. All I have to do is change the text to say, okay, so I'm going to just backspace right here. I'm going to delete, I'm using the delete key, and then I'm going to make it smaller. Is your thumbnail design missing this key element? Find out what you're overlooking, okay? So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one, I want to put this one on the second row in the white text. So I'm going to cut that right here. And then I'm going to replace it here. And then I'm going to take my cursor and I'm going to move it up. Not that. I'm going to delete this. So taking my cursor, I'm using the delete key on my keyboard. Okay. I'm going to delete that. Find out what you're overlooking, and I'm going to put right here. And I'm experimenting with these, just like you probably are too. But the only way we get better is doing it. Not thinking about it, not watching any more videos. I'm not watching any more videos about this. I'm just going to do it and see which one works, because one eventually will. And that's a secret, really, is taking imperfect action, not waiting till everything's perfect, because it never will be. Okay, so here we go. Is your thumbnail design missing this key element? I'm going to move that down there. That looks pretty good. I'm going to take out the dollar signs, which again, those come right out of Canva's elements. Love, they're super cute. Let's see if I can. Okay, so I just undid something I didn't want to do. So I went back to this undo button right here. And what I'm trying to do is grab this and delete it. Okay, and then this is super fun. You can be very creative. Go over to elements, and then I can't use anything that's animated or moving, but I can use a lot of other things. So I saw some thumbnails last night as I was doing some research in YouTube, and I saw some with people. I'm going to try searching thumbnail and see what comes up. See all. See if any of these sort of grab my attention. Not really. So I want to look at like shock value. Oh, okay. Okay, that's pretty good. This one I've seen a lot. Okay, I really like that. I'm still going to use my own real photo, but I want something to grab people's attention. I really, really like that. Okay. And then let's see what else we can find. Here's see all. You see why I love Canva? Amazing. Okay, so here's one. Here's a wow. Put that right there. And the one that I saw that was getting a ton of views, actually had a lot going on the thumbnail. So I might use another one of these cartoon characters. This one's really cute too. Because people will click when they see your titles or when they see your thumbnail or both. Okay. Okay, that's really, really getting there. I'm going to move my little self down here. Okay. because I still want it to give the appearance of a real person, not just a cartoon character. So let's see. I might just add another one. I know it might be like overdue, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's see. There's so many to choose from. All right, and then I'm going to make her smaller. I'm going to do like this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is after I upload my video, I am going to have this download. I'm going to download as a PNG. I'm going to choose page 1 because I have 3 in here. I'm going to be done and download. So that is how you can design your thumbnail, and the missing ingredient might be curiosity with all of these awesome elements in Canva to help you. So if that helps, please give me a like and subscribe. I'm growing my channel just as fast as I can, and it would really encourage me. And if you want me to come to your channel and comment, as long as it's G rated, I'll be there. I'm your girl. Talk to you soon. God bless you. Bye.